Hi everyone, my name is Lokonga Lundunda. Thank you for joining in this particular session. The session today is on monitoring, evaluation, and benchmarking. Uh, we're going to follow curriculum developed by InfoDev. Quite confusing, especially for people that have been or are running hubs because of the nature of what we do. Conversational incubation and incubators tends to gravitate towards things that may not necessarily be uh, things that hubs see as the end result or focus areas. And so I'm going to try to balance the two because Bongo Hive has transitioned quite well from being a hub to being more of an accelerator and incubator. So considering that a number of hubs across Africa are sort of in their infancy, I'm going to try and make the presentation quite relevant for everyone. Before I continue on to the actual topics, let me talk a bit about Bongo Hive, just so I use that as an example of how you could use M&E to be able to bring out what different stakeholders actually want in an incubator or a hub. But just a quick recap. So talking about Bongo Hive, I'll be a bit faster now because we're behind time. So moving on from where we were to where we are now, where we're running a pre-accelerator, accelerator, and also an incubator program, coupled with various masterclasses that we run for SMEs. We have been able to demonstrate, that we've been able to support 405 startups over the past 18 months. The startups have gone on to raise around $500,000 with 53% female participation. 13 partners that we're partnered with, 61 events, close to 900 attendees via our events. And just a fun fact that there have been 234 glasses of water that have been drunk almost every week, with roughly 15 members of staff that we have, and 50% being female. The startups, the slide here that just shows you the different startups that have come out of Bongo Hive through all our programs. This is just part of them. It's not all of them. In a year, we work with roughly 100 startups in our pre-accelerator and accelerator programs. And so there's certainly a lot to track. When it comes to collaborators across different sectors, MNO, bank, law firm, your typical grant funders. At the bottom there, you have government, public sector, I guess, partners with the company registration, the ICT regulator, and a government agency that supports entrepreneurs. Now, we're going to focus on roughly 4-5 things today in the next 30-45 minutes. The value monitoring and evaluation, how you define performance indicators, how to monitor and evaluate, how to collect data, and how to use the data collected through M&E for performance management.